Hey lawn dogs, or should I say alien nation, welcome to UFO. Oh, be quiet, my ducks. Hey, beautiful day here in Michigan, 35 degrees, sunny. It's almost like summer. But anyway, we got a big snowstorm coming, so we're gonna do some prep work. Get ready for it. All right, YouTube, play my intro. They really like drinking water off the top of that camper. But hey, anyway, let's get to this prep work. So first thing I'm gonna do is I got the truck over there, and she's ready to go. We're gonna take her for a ride to the shop here in a minute because I am low on salt at my house. I got 3 bags there on the skid, and we're gonna go stock up on some bags, get them in the back of the truck. But the shovel, the spreader, salt spreader is right there. And the Toro 518 Power Clear is here and full of gas. Yeah, so let's check it out in there. It's got gas. Probably gonna need to top that off. It's a little low. So we'll get some gas in that and fill up the truck and all that. So anyway, let's go get some more salt. Say hey y'all. Headed to the shop now to go get that salt, but I want to talk to you while I was en route there. I need more subscribers, so you know, you guys got to subscribe to this if you're watching it. Like, share, and tell your friends, man. It helps me out. I'm gonna start posting on my live streams. I'm gonna start posting the PayPal link for Mowers for Vets up in the chat. It'll be pinned. It's also in the description, so if you ever want to donate or PayPal tip jar for these videos, all the money goes straight to Mowers for Vets. It doesn't come to me, it goes to the organization. But that's in there too, so check that out. You know, we're trying to give away 6 lawnmowers this year. But anyway, let's get to the shop, get some of this salt loaded up, take a couple things out of this truck, and get on with our day. Oh, black ice is falling down. That's a good smell. All right, I'll be back.
LASIK.com for details. Patients age 40 and over will likely experience the need for reading glasses.
The soothing scent of Vicks Vapor Rub. It's only one of the most iconic smells ever. That cooling, comforting scent generations of families have come to trust to help them feel better. And now you trust to soothe your family. Pick up some Vicks Vapor Rub in the little blue jar and wrap yourself with the calm only Vicks Vapor Rub can bring. Vicks Vapor Rub, always there for you. Does learning a language feel like this? No habla español? It's habla? It's habla. When you learn a language, you want to actually use it. Babbel is designed with that goal in mind.
Since my husband is from Guatemala, I'll apply what I've learned in Babbel to our real-life situations. The app is so easy to use and it's so practical. It helps you learn things that you will actually need.
Babbel, language for life. Celebrating 10 million subscriptions sold. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
Right now, Allstate has almost as many ways to save as there are types of music. Save for being a new customer. Save more for getting time lost. And save even more for driving safely. Visit Allstate.com or contact your local agent to get a quote. Find out how much you can save today. Allstate, now that you'll be using it to your leaders.
From the Service Professor Weather Center.
This report is sponsored by the Ad Council.
Lots of sunshine across the area today, and David, get ready for a massive winter weather pattern shift that'll be arriving later tomorrow into tomorrow night. Today's sunshine from start to finish with highs in the 30s. We drop down to 20 for a low tonight. A wintry mix developing tomorrow mid to late afternoon, changing to snow by daybreak Friday, with Arctic air settling in, the coldest of the last couple of years, with occasional lake effect snow showers through the weekend into next week.
There's no guidebook to a building a team. That's okay, because you don't have to know it all to be a perfect parent. Go to adoptuskids.org to learn more about how to be the perfect parent to teens in foster care. Sponsored by Ed Council.
To some, he's Ziggy Stardust. To others, the Midnight Doom. Or Major Tom. But who's David Bowie really? To answer that question, we'll have to go off the record. Off the Record is a new music biography podcast from iHeartMedia. The first season explores the faces of David Bowie. Each episode tells the story of one of his iconic personas. Together, they form an intimate portrait of rock legends. iHeartRadio's #1 for podcasts, but don't take our word for it. Find Off the Record on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your favorite shows. If it's all right with you, I'm ready for some more country music. 107 MUS, The Moose.
Hey y'all, this is what I kind of do when I prep for the snowstorms coming. You know, just trying to basically get the salt, get it in the back of my truck. So what I do, and this is just my way, This stupid GoPro stopped recording on me all the time. So that's what I do, man. There's 9 bags of salt down here, and that one's just on there to weigh it down. So there's actually 10 bags total. This helps keep the salt dry while I'm out plowing, and yeah, it's kind of how I do it. That's part of my snow prep. I had the footage of me loading this all up, but my GoPro shut off and I don't know how much you got out of it, so we'll see. But that's pretty much the prep there. And you see, that's how much salt I have left. Those are 50 pound bags. I use 5 of them on one property and 4 on the other, so I always load up 9. And then if I have an extra one like that one, I'll leave it at my house. Just, it's there, that way I can use it. Plus it's also water softener salt, so it'll work in our water softener. We have a water softener. Whatever we don't use goes there. But yeah, these 50 pound bags, so what, 250 pounds and 200 pounds, and we're going through a little bit of it this year. Only 1 pallet though. That's the only 1 pallet I've gotten so far this year. All right, let's go fill up the truck. Oh, a little spill. So, lawn dogs, there isn't much to this. As you can see, my setup's pretty basic, so prepping for a storm is pretty simple. That's it, man. Now we just wait. The plow's working good. When I was out driving, I kind of messed around with it. Everything's working good on it, and now we just gotta wait for the snowstorm to come. So anyway, hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Floyd 'em out.